Okay, this is me adding some sounds into my indie game that I'm working on with some friends. Okay, currently I am trying to add some sound effects to skills. So this is my skill-based class, and this is kind of the different things that any skill might have. And then I have here particle sound. So when a particle plays, what kind of sound will it play? Here, when a projectile is flying, what kind of sound I want it to play there. So I just added these two things today. Um, Doing a little null check here. So when we're instantiating some projectile, we're going to add some sort of sound to it. And then when the particle is playing, where is it? Yeah, so I probably need to refactor this a little bit because the sound is tied to the particle, which does make sense, but in some cases I might want to play the sound before that particle plays. And then this skill class is not a mono behavior, it's a scriptable object. So I can't run any coroutines here. So what I'm doing is um, when I instantiate this particle on my character, which here I have the actor controller class that lives on a character, starting a coroutine there, and then here, whatever delay I want to add, I haven't done this yet, use this logic yet. But when I instantiate this particle, I check if that sound clip is null or not null. And if it's not null, then I'll play that sound. So what that looks like right now, this current state of the game, and then I just did it for this novice skill, hurl rock. You can see here in the scriptable object. Um, Here it has like the name, particle prefab, blah blah, all these different things. It doesn't have any status effects. So it's particle sound as well as the projectile flying sound. So this is hurl rock. I can click that, and then I can click an enemy, and then you'll see a projectile flying from above, and then playing a projectile sound. And then when it actually hits an enemy, the particle sound will play. So we hear a whoosh and then a punch. Yes, here it is. And then we have like the AI. None of the animations are working correctly yet, but um, they have their own AI, and they choose skills or basic attacks based on the current situation of the game. So I have a bunch of skills that I've been adding throughout the week. These are all different skills. Probably actually throughout this whole month. Just added a bunch of offensive skills, buffs, debuffs, summons, status effects. Yeah, so what's an example of a cool skill I have? This thing is a summon skeleton thing, and these particles are all not scaled correctly yet. And I just finished adding all the skills, all the particles, the icons of the skills, um, and just getting the actual skill behavior to work correctly. So right now I'm just looking for cool sounds to add to my skills. And I do that here. So this is the skill scriptable object generator. So in an event where I might lose any of these scriptable objects, I would have to recreate this and populate this one by one, which could be a big loss of time. So what we did instead was create an editor script, hurl rock, bam, it pre-populates it. So as long as I don't lose this CS file, everything should work. properly. The only thing I do have to do is actually add those skills back into where they weren't missing. But how we deal with this is probably going to change as well, but that's not nearly as much effort as it would be if we had to repopulate all of these things and figure out, like what the level requirement is, etc. So how we do that is here, create a menu item, and then folder, blah, 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 what type of skill it is, where it should live, level requirement, and all of that lives in this little document or this sheet that I created. And this is constantly evolving. Offensive skills, buffs. So all of these things are actually in the game now, as of yesterday. Buffs, debuffs. I kind of broke it down like this. I probably need to change it. These acronyms aren't really useful right now because summons are already with the summons. Offensive, the offensive. But yeah, so let's just add a few sounds to some more skills. I only added it to these, or to this first skill. So now I'm just going to be moving down and thinking, oh, I added something here. But yeah, I'm just going to be moving down and then seeing what I want to add here. So this is a melee skill, so I don't actually need a projectile flying sound here. So I just need particle sound. So I have a few folders opened up. Let's see. This is a lacerate ability. Slash your opponent with a chance to inflict bleeding. So we want some sort of like slash noise. Shield, bow, weapon draw, stab, stab. Maybe some stabs. That's a little something more dramatic than that, I think. Combat sounds, swings and whoosh. Dash, heavy armor. Just want to hear what that sounds like. Metal weapons. Yeah, maybe something like this. I kind of want it to sound like you're hitting into like flesh. So bow, metal weapon hit metal weapon hit metal. Is there a metal weapon hit something else? These are all metal. Hit wood, hit stone. What does hit wood sound like? Okay. Hit wood, stab. It's one thing with these names. I feel like this is helpful, but stab 1, 2, like there could be like a clink or something. I feel like they could name these things a little better. Not complaining though. Dungeon elements. Yeah, I haven't. Let's see. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Really no like slash sounds? Maybe a whoosh. Mm-mm. Might need to buy another sound pack or something. I already bought one, but I might need another one. Positive effect. That sounds positive. Like a buff or something. So dramatic. This one's kind of nice. Sounds like you could be cutting something. Okay. General spell, buff attack 1. Might do that one. Punch and melee. Ooh, maybe this one. Realistic punch. Body fall. Okay. It's pretty much just punches. Okay. I think this is what we want. Something like something here, probably. Can I like press enter to play these things? Okay. Okay, I think any one of these will do, honestly. I shouldn't be taking this much time because there's a lot of skills. Okay, so let's hear either this one. Wait, what's in B2? Special whoosh. Okay. Special whoosh or where is it? Isn't it here? Jeez. I like this one. It's much more dramatic. Okay, I'm gonna take a bite of my pear. Okay. We'll just finish the warrior skills for today. Okay, whirlwind. That right there. That's what I want. I need to not save it until I'm done with 3 of them, but it's okay. That one's nice. Probably the first one. That one's cool too. That one's cool. That one's cool. Oh. Where did it go? Did I do that? Nice. These are nice sounds. Wow. I think this one. Yep. Oh, that's gonna sound so nice. Hilt bash is gonna be like a clang. General spell. Might even be like a shield sound. Something more dramatic. Metal shield. Weapon drop. Yeah, that one's nice. Yeah, I could see that working. It's not like perfect. It could be a punch sound might work for this. Yeah, I think that's better. Hilt bash, but something a little bit more metallic. Shield wood, shield metal. No. I should rename them. It kind of sounds like a boomerang almost. Okay, I'll look at these later. Shield metal. Something like that. Okay, let's just stick to. Oh wait, we haven't looked at here. Okay, no, we're not using those. Was it this one? Sounds like something was done. Yeah, we could try that. Let's see this one. Hilt bash. Okay, and then now, and I'm gonna be deleting and recreating these skills until the game's essentially done. So we did these three. I'm gonna delete them because now they have a particle sound. I could modify them, but I just like doing it this way. They should all have these. I'm only just testing with the novice class for now. We go over to the warrior. And we'll just add these in. And then just test them and make sure their sounds are working properly and triggering at the right times. So these are all melee skills. So you should walk up and they all have their icons. Hilt bash, which that one. That's a bit like underwhelming. I'm gonna make a note of that after. Lacerate. Yeah, it's pretty nice. And then this one I'm hoping would be the coolest. Pretty loud, but pretty cool. Oh yeah, and there's this known bug. Oh no, I've never seen this before. Okay, I'll deal with that. But yeah, this is kind of the state of our game currently. Yeah, we have a lot. We have a lot done. And once we kind of start, we have a lot of the main features built out already. And once we have everything kind of just like put together, probably in a few months, we'll have a working prototype that would be hopefully fun to play. Yep, that's it. Thanks for watching.